install a J-channel behind our pocket frame. And you notice we've also pocketed out our historic sill and our head and stopped our crown short. That's going to give it a much better appearance when we come across with the siding. So we need to make a J-channel for it. So on our Tapco brake, very simple J-bend, 2-inch, 3/4, 1/2 inch. Slip right in here. I'm going to bring it right down to the top of the head. Cut it flush with the bottom of our sill. This gives us an inside white finish, and it also keeps water out from behind our assembly. And we'll nail that up and put one on the other side as well.
This is a Kleer outside corner with a nailing flange. It's a very useful accessory for any siding project. Fasteners are installed through the concealed nailing flange. This corner has a 3/4 inch channel. It will receive most siding profiles, and it gives a very rich finish to your projects.